Hi guys, Nextiva and RingCentral are two of the most popular business phone systems today, but which one should you be using? To help you make an informed decision, I'll explain the main differences between Nextiva and RingCentral, and we'll consider 4 criteria to see how these two tools stack up. We'll leave the link in the description. You can use it, you can start with the free version, and if you like it more, you can upgrade risk-free. And thank you for using the links in the description. So let's find out which is better for you. For the video conferencing. With the rise of work from home culture, video conferencing has become a crucial technology for businesses around the world. That's why it's important to choose a VoIP or UCaaS provider that offers video conferencing as part of their platform. And 2 of the top contenders in this space are Nextiva and RingCentral. While neither provider offers video conferencing at their base tier, the option to have video conferencing integrated into your communication platform is a game changer. It eliminates the need to switch to another provider like Zoom, keeping everything in one place. Both Nextiva and RingCentral can host video calls with hundreds of participants, but Nextiva has a slight edge with its ability to host an additional 250 attendees compared to RingCentral's 200. While RingCentral does offer a free tier of video conferencing with longer durations, Nextiva's ability to host more attendees makes them the clear winner in this category. And for the messaging, the RingCentral MVP messaging tab is a central hub for team chat, file and document sharing, calendar sharing and scheduling, project management and video meetings. Users can initiate unlimited one-to-one chats and dedicated group channels that contain threads with tagging options, so they receive notifications only when relevant. RingCentral messaging also offers workflow management, external contacts, team huddle, instant calling, searchable chat, and organizational features. Moving on to Nextiva messaging. The Nextiva One App multi-channel inbox allows agents to manage all conversations across chat, email, text, and phone. In the Messaging tab, agents can create one-to-one instant messaging conversations in group chat hubs called Rooms. Nextiva Rooms connect teams and departments to collaborate on specific projects with threads, file sharing, emoji responses, and more. Nextiva also supports task tracking, calendar and event sharing, file sharing, and instant videos and calls. Both providers offer instant video and call options, and Nextiva's Rooms allow for easier project collaboration. RingCentral, on the other hand, has a more robust workflow management system. So ultimately, the choice between RingCentral and Nextiva messaging comes down to your specific needs and preferences. And for the analytics, Nextiva boasts a powerful business intelligence tool built right into their platform. With Nextiva, you can make informed decisions, uncover hidden insights, and improve staff performance all in one place. Their voice analytics tool provides a real-time synopsis of everything happening in your contact center, and with interactive maps and graphs, you can easily visualize all the data you need. On the other hand, RingCentral also offers robust analytic capabilities to help you keep track of important KPIs and metrics. From adoption and usage reports to organization numbers, quality of service, device status, and live reporting, RingCentral's analytics portal has got you covered. So choosing between Nextiva and RingCentral depends on your business and your needs. Both tools come with advantages and disadvantages, so there's no best solution. It will depend on your current needs. Other than that, it's up to you. So yeah, that's it for this video. You can check the links in the description. That helps a lot, thank you. And hopefully this video will help you out. If it did, please leave a comment and click the like button. That helps too. And goodbye for now.